All right, everyone, here is activity 3. We're thinking about the risks versus rewards of this work that the doctors are doing. So we're going to look at this chart at the rewards of becoming a volunteer for Dr. Reed's experiments. So what are the risks of being a volunteer in the mosquito experiment? What are the risks of being a volunteer in the clothing experiment? And this is based on the information that you already know, that you've read. And then what are the rewards from being in the mosquito experiment? What are the rewards from being in the clothing experiment? If you don't think there are any rewards, you can say so, but you need to be very explicit. You need to give your reasons, more than one, why you don't think there's any rewards if you don't. Right? It cannot just be blank. So as you read, you're going to highlight details about the mosquito experiment in yellow and the contaminated clothing experiment in green. Now, if you're waiting to fill this out after you read, that's probably a good idea. You can start filling it out before and then add to it later after you finish reading. If you want to get some ideas down, things you already know, things you've inferred, that kind of stuff. It's just a short passage, 3 minutes. So make sure you fill it out as you read. What are the risks and what are the rewards for each experiment? So when we think of risks, think of health risks, life risks, however you want to frame it. A risk is something that's possible, that's bad, that can happen to you. A reward is something that's good that can happen to you. So risks and rewards, what are the possibilities of each thing happening? What could happen good? What could happen that's bad for mosquito and contaminate experiment? Make sure you hand that in.